YouTube channel if you're new around here. My name is Lesleyanne and today I have got an unboxing of the Birchbox. If you've just watched my Glossybox video that I did last week, I'm filming them both on the same day, so that's why I'm dressed the same. What I'm going to do, I'm going to link either up in the cards or in the description box. I'll probably do both anyway. Last month I did the Glossybox and the Birchbox. I did them together, both boxes at the same time, so that we could do a bit of a comparison, but I've decided now to do them separately because I kind of felt like it was a little bit unfair, and especially if you're looking to find a subscription box that you like. I didn't really want to promote one more than the other, having thought about it, because I thought, well, I might kind of encourage you to sort of go towards one more than the other, and I didn't want to do that in case you are disappointed with one, so I've gone back to doing it on their own. With Birchbox, last month I think it was in a box, wasn't it? Yeah, it was in a box last month. The month before it was in a beautiful, beautiful makeup bag, or just a little clutch bag you could have used it for. This month again it comes in a bag. So there we go. You could have chosen whether you wanted this colour or if you wanted the turquoise one, or if you didn't, go online and do your choice of colour. You just got a random one, which is what I did. I was quite happy to do that. So I'm going to go through the booklet first. Okay, so the bags that we would have had, as I've said to you already, are these colours. And I'm just going to delve in. This February we're inviting you to take a moment to press the pause button and still reconnect with yourself. Throughout the month we'll be filling your inbox with our social media and mindfulness tips, together with guided meditation app. Okay, so number one is Co Beauty Flamingo Cheek and Lip Tints. It's a full size, recommended retail price is £12. This double duty beauty treat perfectly blurs the lines between dewy gloss and lip and cheek stain, making it the perfect product to cheat a fresh, polished, no makeup glow. Use your fingertips to pack this flamingo shade into your lips and the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush glow. And it says here it has a buildable formula. So this is my bag this month, and it's got Birchbox, as you can see, written on the front. So this is what the product looks like. So let's go in. I'll pop it on this hand. There we go. So let's... Wow, that certainly goes a long way. And I actually have to say, this I might attempt to try on my cheek. Shall I try a little bit? Can't really see what I'm doing. I'm hardly taking any product. Let me just be a little bit more real with it, shall I? Okay, I think I'm only going to go with a tiny bit. Oh gosh, let me come in closer. I can't see a thing. Forgive me if it's wrong and rubbish, but I can't really see what I'm doing. It's very pigmented, as you can see. I'm sure it's lovely on the lips as well. Shall I have a go? I've got some lipstick on, so I'll take that off. It's quite a messy one to use, I've got to say, but quite a natural looking one, isn't it? I quite like that, you know. Right, next product, Eugene's, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a rose generating face cleanser infused with rosewood, essential oil, glycerin and witch hazel. This gentle organic cleanser washes away all traces of impurities whilst working hard to improve skin regeneration. The nourishing blend of ingredients maintain your skin's natural moisture, balance for a supple, radiant complexion. And they're made of 99% of natural origin ingredients. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. And there's 30 mils in here, which isn't too bad, is it? So let's try it out. Let's just pop a bit onto my hand, just so I can see what the smell is like, etc. Okay, let's just, oh, came out quite quick. So it is a clear gel. Feels nice. Feels lovely. Really lovely. Oh, that smells amazing. That smells amazing. I'd have to look up and see how big the full size is, just to sort of, you know, see whether it's worth it. But oh my goodness, it smells lovely. Something I would definitely buy is this sort of thing. And as you can see, it's sort of going all like milky now on my hand, so you really don't need probably any more than that, because once you've got that on your face and then you add water to it, it's just really gonna, you know, it's just gonna spread over your face a lot easier, isn't it? That is lovely, absolutely lovely. Okay, and this is Beauty Velvet Rosebud Soothing Hand Cream. Enriched with shea butter, this hand cream helps to soothe and moisturise dry and cracked hands. It's ultra hydrating, fast absorbing, non-greasy, and leaves skin soft and lightly scented with a hint of rose. I have got a full size and the recommended retail price is £7. That is what the hand cream looks like, and there's 30 mils in here. Okay, let's get this open. Take the little foil seal off the end, pop it onto my hand, see what this one's like, as in the consistency. Not smelling rose. I mean, it's not an unpleasant smell, but it's, you know, it feels nice on the skin, but I wouldn't say it's got a scent that has drawn me. In fact, it's kind of going now, whatever the scent was, but it was very, very subtle. But it feels nice on the skin. So the next is Sensory Retreats Divine Eyes Self-Heating Eye Mask. When you're feeling run down and stressed out from a jam-packed routine, it can be hard to switch off. Luckily, just 25 minutes is all it takes to magically melt away tension and eye strain with the self-heating eye mask. Using gentle patented air-activated EcoStream technology, this mask delivers a pampering home spa experience. It's perfectly safe to wear while meditating or overnight as a blackout mask if you're having trouble sleeping. Recommended retail price for this is £21. Wow. And so that is what the packaging looks like. And there we have it here. So I might actually use that tonight. It says relaxing lavender scent. And then last but not least, Birchbox accessories, natural green jade super polish gua sha, if that's how you pronounce it. The trendy Jade Brusher is actually an ancient facial massage tool that has been used in beauty rituals for centuries. Used over moisturiser, facial oil or cream, the gua sha renews skin by increasing blood flow for lymphatic drainage, perfectly stimulating the skin for radiant deep puff results. Use the side and tooth edge on the neck for additional lymphatic drainage. Okay, so it comes in a little bag. Let's open that, and it's got its own little pouch to live in to, you know, keep it all nice and protected. Let's take it out of there. Oh, it feels lovely. Feels so nice, so like cold and just the sort of thing I like. I've actually got a jade roller that I use on my face, so this is going to match it beautifully. And I mean, I'm not going to do it now because obviously I've got a little bit of makeup on, but it just feels, I suppose you just go up like that. And they said jawline, neck, didn't they, in the book, like that. Oh, it feels so lovely. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this. I really like this a lot. I'm just going to go back to the bag with you again because I really like it. Let's take the little plastic bits off. So you've got like a little strap here, and then you just, it closes and opens super cool, super quickly, super easily. It's like that inside, loads of room, and it's that sort of fabric that you can wash. You'll be able to give this a wash if it was to get grubby, if you put your makeup in it. But I really like that. That's really nice. Very beachy, isn't it? You can imagine this with your matching bikinis and stuff like that, going down to the beach with your suntan lotion in, and some wipes, that sort of thing, to keep nice and fresh. So that's it then, my lovelies. That's it for my Birchbox for this month. I'm really pleased with it. I really, really like it. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a nice big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell, and then you'll know when I've done all my new uploads. Until then, my lovelies, I'm going to go now, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Stay safe, everyone, won't you?